Hello HJ, this is another test. We're going to run the same recipe for the 5-micron wafer, but I've reduced the number of scans for each sample to 16. I'll share all this data with you. I am starting it again now, and of course it's a quicker test time. I should say it's a shorter test time. It's coming in. We'll keep the camera rolling through the entirety of the test. And the data is virtually as good with the 16 scans, which is good news. It'll enable a, like I said, shorter test time. Also note that the purge lines to the upper and lower optics on the stage have now been added. This was a bit of an oversight on my part. It gave good results, so we were satisfied, but this is how it should be set up with those lines. There's your results. 5.055 mean value and a 0.0072 standard deviation. Thank you.